ekkanisa eri Makerere, erimu amawanga ga buli ngeri, erimu abazungu aba buli kika, gattako abayindi aba buli ngeri. Nze nali ŋŋaanya okuva gye nsoma, naye mweno ekkanisa nja kuyingira. Mulimu amawanga ga buli kika, Yesu akuyita agendayo olabe.
Program byobadde tomanyi mu gugudde okuva mu myaka gy'enkaaga. N'olunaku lwa leero Katonda agitutuusizaako. Abali mu lockdown, abali mu mayumba, abatalina mmere, abalwadde, programu eno tugibaagaliza ebeere ya mukisa gye muli. Byobadde tomanyi mu gugudde program ebatuusibwako okuva ku sitensani za Gugudde TV. Gugudde TV mu luggya lwa Makerere Full Gospel Church e Makerere. Mwanjuzi Sunday Yusufu Mukasa Lubwama. Okubajjukizaako akatono, Sunday yayita twali mukono ntaawo mu kanisa eyitibwa Garments of Love and Mercy Ministries. Ngene ekulemberwa mutabani waffe, muganda waffe omulungi ennyo, omusumba Shadrack Kaganda. Kaganda y'omu ku baana baffe bwe wandiise pastor's kid. Si kumuyita buyisi, naye kyekyo kyennyini. Mwana wa musumba, omusumba ono nga yaliko omusumba w'Entenjeru Full Gospel Church n'amakanisa amalala under the roof of Gospel Missions to Uganda, Makerere Full Gospel Churches. Kakati okujjukizaako era akatono, twaleka ayise omusumba omulungi ennyo okubeera omugenyi omukulu, okubeerawo ku majaguza g'ekkanisa eno Garments of Love and Mercy Ministries, ng'ewezezza emyaka 11 mu buweereza. Yayitwa omusumba Titus Owundo. Ono ye muganda waffe w'ebyafaayo mu njiri wansi w'obuweereza bwa Deliverance Church wano mu Uganda. Deliverance Church yatinta nnyo mu myaka gy'ensanvu, myaka gy'ekinaana n'emyaka gy'ekyenda. Ekkanisa eno ekyaliwo era nga Full Gospel Church eri mu Church, Redeemed Church, Redeemed Society of the Lord wano e Makerere ne Deliverance Church, ze kanisa empentekote ezawulirwako ennyo mu myaka gy'enkaaga, mu myaka gy'ensanvu, mu myaka gy'ekinaana, mu myaka gy'ekyenda. Kakati obuweereza bukuze, oguti gunene nnyo. Amakanisa ag'enjawulo amapentekote gazimbiddwa mu Uganda. Sijja kulwisaayo, katugende butereevu emukono ntaawo mu buweereza bwa Garments of Love and Mercy Ministries ekulemberwa omusumba Shadrack Kaganda. Producer, tutwaleyo.
That love.
Yesu afaayo.
Jesus cares.
Yesu atumanyi.
Jesus knows us.
Yesu yatumanya.
Jesus knew us
okuviira ddala nga tetunnaba na kubeera mu mbuto z'abanyaffe.
before we were created in our mother's womb.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Okubanjira Florence Nassozi Mukasa ye mukyala wange.
I want to introduce to you Madam Florence Nassozi Mukasa.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
naye yansooka okulokoka ate ekyewuunyisa.
She was the first one to accept Christ.
Musinga emyaka 2 gyokka.
I'm older than her by 2
naye
years.
okuzaalibwa omukristo ate ye yansooka.
But she accepted Christ before
Mukama
me.
atuwadde abaana bana.
God has blessed us with 4 children.
Abalenzi 3 n'omuwala omu.
3 boys and 1 girl.
N'abazzukulu 8.
And 8 grandchildren.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Tubulidde enjiri.
We have preached the gospel
Uganda,
in Uganda, Rwanda,
Kenya,
in
America,
America, and then we also come back to this place. There is no place that we don't know in Kenya.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Florence kasooka ababuuzeeko n'oluvannyuma nzitalewo obujulizi bwange.
Mrs. Florence first greet you and then I will continue.
Praise
the Lord. Praise the Lord. I also thank Jesus for having chosen me when I'm still young. Because I accepted Christ when I'm 11 years old. From then I've never changed. Jesus becomes sweeter and sweeter every day more than honey. You who is seated here,
Yesu ajja kukolamu omulimu obujja akuze bujja akuyimuse.
God is going to do a great work in you, lift you and bless you. Every time you stick on him and love him, he will do great things for you the way he has done for us. I wasn't able to walk. Every time children, but now I am with grandchildren. And then I said, even if I have grandchildren, let me go back to preaching the gospel. I love you so much. I saw this pastor when he's still young. And our Father, and all the pastors, I know all of them because we have been all together in the gospel. May God bless you as you listen to the following to the next. Hallelujah! Our preacher today, I've household to get him for almost 6 years.
6 years. Every
time I want him to come to our anniversaries or his committee.
He's a good friend. And he's a good father.
I'm going to say this here. Of all the pastors I know in this country, all of them, the young, the old, and the ones who are in the middle, most of them call me when they need something. All the wisdom that God has blessed me with, or maybe help them in the offices as I know them. But no one calls me to ask me if I'm okay, apart from Pastor Titus Owundo.
He has the love.
I know kwagala. He calls you and you talk. He asks you if you're okay. What is happening? He is the only one who does that. Please clap your hands. He's a writer. He wrote books. I'm going to request you, Pastor Titus. As you can see, everyone who is part of the worship team must buy these books. He wrote a book.
Sex in Marriage, its joys and sorrows.
That is the book he wrote. Have you heard?
Amen.
Amen.
Amina.
Kati ziri kopi bbiri. Eno ya maroon ya mukyala.
It's 2 copies. The maroon one is for the lady.
Eno ya mwami.
And this other copy is for the man. You pretend like as if you do not have challenges out there.
Musajja muwandiisa ne musajja mugezi nnyo.
He is an author and he is very intelligent.
Kali kusente meka. Mutwalo gumu n'ekitundu.
It is 15,000.
Obutono tebuddayo.
These books are not going.
Mwena abandi emabega muwulidde.
All of you who are behind me have heard. You have to.
Kati wasayira amagezi waliwo akala bakaita retirement.
There is this other book called
Preparing for and coping with it.
Okweteekateekera n'okumanyira.
Okuwummulako. Amen?
Amen.
Buno si bungi ne buno si bungi by the buli copies ndoza nga 10.
There are not so many. I think there
waliwo
are
n'akala
about
kakano
10
bakaita
copies.
sex among the unmarrieds.
There is another one called Amen.
Mumanyi kambawulire ekkanisa teyambiddwa nnyo mu topic eno.
The church has not been so helped so much in this topic.
Abazadde abali wano
And the parents who are here,
bitabo bino kubiyiga.
if you don't have these books to
Kujjamu
learn
magezi.
from them,
Kusobola kuyamba abaana bo.
you will not be able to help your
Ensajja
children.
bayigiriza ebintu byotagenda
The
bajja.
world is going to teach them things that you'll never be able to bring them out. You make a loss.
Ne wenjogera nawamu otya n'okubuuza omwana nti ekyo kiki.
As I speak for now, some of you, if you are asking
Obutabo
what's
buno
that?
buli wali ku ttebo.
These tables, we have them at the table
Mukama
behind
waffe omulungi
us.
ebazibu.
Praise the name of the
Tugenda mu
Lord.
kiseera kya kigambo
We
kati.
are going in the word. We are going to be hearing the word.
And I just want to do this.
Era nga njagala kukola kino.
Tis so sweet to trust in Jesus, just to take Him at His word, just to rest upon His promises, just to know that says so sweet
To trust in Jesus,
just to take Him at His word,
just to rest upon His promises, just to know that says the Lord. Jesus, Jesus, I trust you, I prove you more and more. Jesus, Jesus, precious Jesus, oh, what grace to trust you more. Jesus, to trust in Jesus. Just to know that says the Lord. Jesus, Jesus, now I trust you, now I prove you more and more. Precious Jesus, oh, what grace to trust you more.
Akatundu kaffe ak'okutendereza n'okusinza mu nnyimba ezaffe ez'abalokole wano mu mukono ntaawo Garments of Love ekulemberwa omusumba Shadrack Kaganda. Nga bwe nabagambye nti yayita omusumba Titus Owundo okubeera omubuulizi, oyo katumwegatteko mu kitundu kyaffe ekyokubiri. Naye kamba twaleko katono mukuwummulako mu studio zaffe eza GUGUDDE eza Control Room. Control Room.
The corona situation has left us with few options. For schools wishing to reach to their students, Highway Africa, also known as Ecotel International, gives you the best home links and home office links with dedicated speeds and unlimited internet. Contact us on 0788 689797 or 0757 970000 to place your order today.
Are you an artist planning for a concert, looking for lessons in dancing, piano, guitar, saxophone, drums, audio production, song recording for artists? Do not look further. Come to GUGUDDE Love Records. We offer rehearsal space for bands and event services include quality sound systems, live music band, and decoration for any function, big and small. We are located in Kawempe Town, Kutano, opposite Kampala Tax Stage. For more information, please call studio lines 0750 000 478 or 0773 454 604. Or you can call the director's number 0703 000 478. GUGUDDE Love Records. To God be the glory.
GUGUDDE TV, lighting your soul.
Mwebale nnyo okuva mu mpumulo okwo okutonotono. Kaakati katugendeko mu kigambo n'omusumba Titus Owundo. N'obubaka bwe ng'abwongereza wali we yakoma okubeerawo mu maaso ga Mukama. Okubeera mu maaso ga Mukama. In the presence of the Lord. Nga ayanjulibwa omusumba waffe omulungi ennyo Pastor Shadrack Kaganda. Pastor Shadrack Kaganda.
Njagala tusseemu ekitiibwa
I want us to honor
okubeerawo kwa Pastor Titus Owundo.
the presence of Pastor Titus Owundo.
My beloved,
Mwagalwa wange.
please come.
Praise the Lord.
Mukama yebazibwe.
When the presence is with me, all these things will be mine. And I want to say, the Lord is going to cause resources until this building has been transformed into another building that will give God all glory. But first of all, we want to thank God for what He has done so far. My son here, when he came here, there was nothing. But now, we can walk on this. Hallelujah. Amen. We bless the Lord. If you miss to give God a hand clap offering, whatever God has given you so far, thank God for it. Other things will follow. The Bible says, seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things will be yours as well. Some of us, we stand here before you here, and you see us in the suit, and look at us, some of us glittering. But I tell you, we have come from far. We have come from far. I remember some of those days, my friend, when I was a little boy, on foot, walking to school, many miles, kicking stones. I didn't know one time I would drive also. And my feet were the habitation of jiggers. And you know, those jiggers, attendants will never pay anything. They never pay anything. But they eat you up. They sleep well. They eat you up. They never pay any rent. And you suffer. I did not know one day I would also be among the people who have shoes. You who are here, some of you look at the television and you see great men and women, and you think they're in another world and you are somewhere. God, as long as He's with you, He is going to lift you from dust and make you sit with Christ. I have said, deny me everything. Leave me with Jesus. Leave me with God. And when I move with Him, wherever we go, things will happen. And He told Ezekiel, Ezekiel, I want you to move. But as you're walking where you are going, don't just go. I will give you my spirit. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Go to a valley,
but
but to go with my spirit. That's the second thing I want you to know. I told you the first one is the presence of God. But the second thing, His Holy Spirit we preach. That's the gospel we preach. He said the Spirit of the Lord was upon Him as He moved. Do you know that is the very Spirit who was there from the beginning? Because the Bible tells me, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. He created the heavens and the earth. But everything that was around was dark, without form, no face, nothing. But the Bible says the Spirit of the Lord started brooding over that. He started breathing over that earth. And then something happened. Let me tell you. That brooding the Bible talks about is likened to a hen sitting on eggs. When a hen sits on eggs, day 1, day 2, 1 week, 2 weeks, it loses feathers. But it has a vision. It has a vision. There is pain going on. But one day, something will come out. When 21 days are over, there is no discussion. The eggs begin to open. The eggs begin to open. The eggs open. Chicks come out. Chicks, one after another, they come out. And I want to know at the beginning, when the Holy Spirit brooded over the earth, when the time had fully come, hallelujah, when the time had fully come, God said, let there be light. And that's the first chick that came out. I want to prophesy over your life today. I don't care what you're going through. The pains you have had, the diseases, the puzzles, the setbacks, the hatred, the anger, the rejection, name it. Whatever you have gone through, thank God. That Holy Spirit has been brooding over your life. He has been brooding over your life. He has been brooding over your life. He has been brooding over your life. Oh yeah. He has been brooding over your life. He has been brooding here. The Holy Spirit has been over you. Right now here. Keep clapping at me. He has been brooding over you. In the name of Jesus. Oh yes. The truth about the Holy Spirit is that He is beyond religion. He is beyond religion. He is beyond your bishop. He is beyond your reverend. He is beyond your rosary. He is beyond your jatula. He is beyond your uniform. He is the Holy Spirit. As He was brooding over, God said, let there be light. There was light. Let there be the earth. There was the earth. Let there be water. There was water. Let there be evening. Let there be day. And they were there. Whatever it is that the Holy Spirit is upon your life, Whatever God will name concerning you, it will happen. Hallelujah. Amen. The Spirit of God went with him. The Spirit of God went with him. Jesus went with the Holy Spirit. Oh, in the wilderness. In the wilderness. Because he speaks. In Luke chapter 4 and verse 18, the Spirit of the Lord is upon me. Because he has anointed me to preach good news. He has anointed me to open the blind eyes. He has anointed me to make the cripples walk. He has anointed me to open the prisons for those who are in captivity. He has anointed me to bind the wounds of the brokenhearted. He has anointed me to declare jubilee. That is the Lord that we're talking about. That Holy Spirit was upon Jesus. That Holy Spirit is upon us today. When he is with you, things begin to happen. Things begin to happen. Hallelujah. He is here present. Some transformation is taking place right now. Upon that one who is here, and upon the one who is hearing, and upon the one who views, because he makes a difference. Hallelujah. Amen. Now, you know, in the Old Testament, that very Holy Spirit was there. When Samson was moving, and he was confronted by a Philistine, the Bible says, the Bible says, the Spirit of the Lord came upon him. When it came upon him, he picked a jaw of an ass. Picked it. And with that one, he killed 1,000 Philistines. I don't know how he did it. When the anointing is upon you, you can just show the Philistine. And the Philistine falls. Hallelujah. Amen. I think others, when they saw him, just looked at him, he was so anointed that they died. And the Philistines were not small men. They were not my size. They were big. I think small ones were like him. But God selected 1,000 because of the Spirit of God. Hallelujah. He is about to do something here. He is about to do something here. Now, something which is exciting about the Holy Spirit himself. When he came on the day of Pentecost, everyone who was in that room, first of all, he shook the ground. He shook the stability of what God will shake what you think you is your defense. God will shake your security. God will shake your heritage. God will shake your tradition. God will shake your culture. God will shake what you are depending on until he remains God. He shook it. When he shook it, he came upon them. Everyone who was there was baptized with the Holy Spirit. And I want to pray that this day, whoever is here, we shall drink and drink and drink of that Spirit. Even you who are unbelieving. Then he took him to the valley of dry bones. Says Ezekiel, look. And Ezekiel looked. And there were very many dry bones. Not only, there were very many bones, but they were also very dry. And God tells Ezekiel, son of man, can they live? And Ezekiel says, God, you know. That answer comes from many of us. When God brought to Ezekiel, he saw the bones were very many and were very dry, and he says, can there be life in them? Ezekiel told God, he was actually trying to say, actually God, I don't believe, but anyway, you know better. Have you ever been to a place whereby the situation is so tough? And God says, can that situation change? You look and say, God, I think I believe, but honestly, not so. How many of you say, I think you and you have traveled more years than these other young people. We know that kind of thing happens. A situation where you feel, I've come to a dead end. Some of us are here. You have come to a dead end. Can that situation change? I want to prophesy that for everyone who is here, God is going to make you lift from this place, and you're going to become a prophet who will make a change. When he says, God, you know, then God said, if I know, let me use my method to make sure this bone is live. And my method is this. I won't use you. Stand up, son. I won't use you. I'm not going to be the one to make those bones live. But I won't use you. Something is going to happen. Something is going to happen after you use your mouth to speak. And that's why I thank God for Sunday and the team you have come with these young evangelists. Thank God for maintaining that gospel. From the 70s when we first met. Thank God. And what I desire to say about this generation. Every one of you with a mouth, the Lord will use your mouth to make sure there is transformation. Some of us are living in the evening of time. Soon and very soon. Yes. Soon and very soon. You will see us no more. But God is saying, son, can this bones live? Can there be change in this area? Can the Mukono transform? Can all witch doctors close their witchcraft? Can the drunkards get saved and reach their hands to Jesus? Is that possible? Can the thieves repent? Can the corruption which they are talking about, which made the president even demonstrate by walking, can that corruption also go? Is it possible? Is it possible? Can God transform Uganda? Can Uganda become a national admiration all over the world? Can this be a nation where people desire to come to? Where people will scramble to get a visa to come to Uganda? Is it possible? God says, I'm counting on you. And you. Now. And you. Now. If I was the one and God says he's counting on me, I would say amen. I would be very happy. When God says I'm counting on you, I still not bring it. He's counting on you. He's counting on you there. And you. And you are the man. Now. Now. God will no longer bring angels to walk in Uganda here. He's going to use you. I don't know why I made you stand up, but God wants to use you in very situation. Gentlemen, in years to come, there are things. Stretch your hands to me like that. There are things God is going to use by these hands. There are things God is going to use as you raise those hands towards the sick.
ng'ogola mikono gye eby'amalwadde
that the sick will begin getting healed.
bajja kuwonyezebwa.
There are things God is going to use in your life.
Katonda alina ebintu agenda okukola okutambula mu bulamu bwo.
God is anointing these feet.
Katonda ebigere byo abisaako amafuta.
Where you set your foot, miracles,
wonna wonooyimirira ebyamagero,
signs and wonders.
obubonero n'ebyamagero.
He has been waiting this long
abadde alindako
that you may rise up
olyoke osituke
and move like Ezekiel.
ogende nga Ezekiel.
Says the Lord over your life.
Bw'ati
For
bw'agenda
the Spirit of God is going to come upon your life in a mighty way.
omwoyo wa Mukama agenda kujja ku bulamu bwo.
That there will be transformation
waliwo enkyukakyuka
in your life.
mu bulamu bwo.
There are people who have been resisting when you speak.
waliwo tebaziyizanga nga bw'oyogera.
This time round,
kati okuba kaaka
as you open your mouth,
bw'ona okulanga akamwa
there will be no argument except to fall down and repent.
wabula okukkiriza.
Ezekiel, move and speak now.
tambula oyogere.
For I'm with you, my presence is with you.
ndi naawe n'okubeera kwange kuli
But
naawe.
my spirit is also with you.
ate n'omwoyo wange ali naawe.
So it's me and the Holy Spirit, we are with you.
kati nze n'omwoyo mutukuvu nga tuli wamu.
Now,
kaakati
Jesus is the administrator around.
yesu yali
Who is already in you.
ate ng'ali munda mu
You have the advantage of God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit in you.
olina enkizo ya kitaffe n'omwana n'omwoyo mutukuvu munda mukwe.
There will be nothing impossible when you stand.
tejja kubaayo kikuzibu wadira bw'oyimirira.
Oh, shaka mabaturu ya mamahasa babaduru ya kutu. Oh, yashima makoto ya hiyo makosa. The transformation which is going to come.
enkyukakyuka egenda
Some of
okutuuka.
you, God is anointing you to be business people who will make so many millions.
abamu ku mmwe mukama bafutako amafuta okubeera babiliyoniya abagenda okukola sente nyingi.
I see some of you, God touching you,
ndaba abamu ku mmwe mukama
and you
abakola
begin making money which you have been fearing to touch.
okukola sente ze wali otya n'okukwatako.
You will now touch it.
ojja kuzaagala sikwatako.
I see some of the children here,
ndaba abaana abamu ku mmwe
God raising them to become professors.
nga mukama basikira okubeera baprofesa.
I see
ndaba
some of you parents
abazadde abamu
who have been crying
nga mbadde mukaaba
because some of your children have taken to drugs.
ng'abamu ku mmwe abaana nga bagenze ne batandika okukozesa
That
eddagala
rebellious son,
nga bafuuse abazibu.
says the Lord,
mukama bw'ati bw'ayogera
is going to come back.
agenda kukomawo.
Oh, Shima Mato. Will they live?
banasobola kuba balamu.
I know he didn't know that.
nange simanyi oba makumbagasa okuba
But
malamu.
Ezekiel
naye Ezekiel
obeyed the word.
n'akkiriza Katonda
There is
n'agoberera
fruit in obeying the word of God.
waliwo ebibala ebiva mu kugondera Katonda.
Today,
leero
as you obey the word,
nga bw'ogondera ekigambo
speak
yogera
in simplicity,
mu ngeri ennyangu,
not complicated English.
tobifuula bizibu.
Just speak.
yogera ebyamu.
God is God. He will do
Katonda
what He
ye
wants to do.
Katonda ajja kukola ekyo ky'oba oyogedde.
When I got saved in 1966,
bwe yalokoka mu 1966
I was a little boy in senior one.
yali muvubuka muto mu siniya emu esooka.
And God told me I want to use you.
mukama namugamba ngenda
I was
kukozesa.
spoken to people
njogedde eri
at
abantu
the highest levels.
ab'amawanga
People
njogedde eri abantu
have bowed before God.
abavunnamidde mukama.
When Ezekiel obeyed the word,
Ezekiel bwe yagondera ekigambo kya
he
Katonda
stood and spoke.
n'ayimirira n'ayogera.
Oh, you dry bones!
mwe amagumba mwenna amakalu,
Thus says the Lord.
bw'ati bw'ayogera mukama.
Arise and live.
golokoka obeere mulamu.
Every dry bone obeyed.
buli bbumba ery'ekisambi ery'omukono ery'omugongo ne ligonda.
Nothing will be impossible for him that believes God.
teribaayo kizibu walira oyo akkiriza Katonda.
Every bone obeyed.
buli gumba
I can
lya.
imagine some bones were covered a little bit by soil because of erosion.
kati nteeberezamu nga ndabye ddala amagumba agamu gaali geefumise mu.
I can imagine some bones were covered by grass.
agamu gaaliko n'oluddo.
When the prophetic word came,
naye ekigambo eky'obunnabbi ekyo
every bone came from wherever it was hidden.
lyasirika ne lyeyunga ne lyeyunga ne lyeyunga.
Every bone came from wherever it was hidden. I can imagine. Some hyenas had chewed some bones. And some lions had chewed some. When Ezekiel says, thus says the Lord, every hyena vomited the bone. Every lion vomited it. The hyena who has stolen your sins is going to vomit them today. The hyena who has sat on your heritage is vomiting you today. Everything will have to obey. There was commotion in the valley. I am praying for holy commotion in the tower. I am praying for holy commotion in the tower. Bones came up, bone after bone. They began running in the valley. A bone met another and says, where are you going? A bone met another and says, where are you going, brother? This one says, leave me alone. I'm looking for my connection. God is going to give you connection. When God is moving, my son, He gives you connections nationally and internationally. Hallelujah. Amen. You don't need an introduction from anybody because God will introduce you. That says the bone in Uganda, arise. And the bone will be moving to America. And I'm going to connect you. Our God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that we ask or even what we think. Oh, it is a good place to give him a hand clap offering. Nothing. Even what is hidden, which you don't know, will come out. And you begin to become back the body of Christ. And you'll be connected to the right man. You are connected to the right man. You are not just a bone flying anywhere in Mukono. You must be connected to a church. Hallelujah. Amen. Not only were they, I think that became a very difficult situation for Ezekiel. At least when they were born is alone. But when they became dead bodies, you'd rather be with only bones, not dead bodies. He looked. Those are many dead bodies we find in the church. How many corpses? Praise the Lord. Amen. God is looking for something more. He says, I want you. And Pastor, it's very difficult to cause a dead body to move. Because they were all quiet. To have a congregation of dead bodies full. What? And you said let us build. The cops look at let's we do this. It's tough. We have difficult corpses in the church. When you have corpses, that's why God said, you prophesy from the four winds. North, south, east, west, so that all the bodies are surrounded. The Holy Spirit of God is coming upon the church afresh. The wind is blowing again. The wind is blowing again. As on the day of Pentecost, the wind is blowing again. Join me now here. The wind is blowing again. The wind is blowing again. As on the day of Pentecost, the wind is blowing again. The wind of God is blowing again over Uganda. And I want you to know, I want you to hear, don't lament and dwell on the past revivals. God is doing a new thing. Yes. We thank God for what God did in the days of Elijah. But this is the day of Ezekiel. Over fresh outpouring of his spirit. For the transformation in the church. And the older prophets have gone. But God is trusting you. Do you know he's depending on you? Hear me here. Hear me well. We thank God for those who he used. But they have gone. Thank God for Billy Graham. Up to 99 years. But he has gone. Thank God for T.L. Osborne. He was in this country. He used to hear for miracle signs and wonders. T.L. Osborne is gone. Thank God for Ida Hossa. He came here. God used him mightily. And in Nigeria and all over the world. He has gone. Thank God for Oral Roberts. God used him. He went. Thank God for Paul the Apostle. God used him. He went. Thank God for Peter. And the shadow will be healed. But he has gone. Thank God for Reinhard Bonnke. He has been preaching on the 7th of this month. He has also gone. All of God. But our God is here. He's the same. Yesterday, today, and forever. He is depending on you and me. All of us in this country. People in the history of Uganda. Apollo Chivebulaya. He came, did many things, moved by faith to a tree forest. And even this pygmy is God saved. But he went. First to Kivenjere, the man I respected, preaching the gospel in power. He went. You are here. Do what God wants you to do now. Now. Before the end comes. That's why you see, I'm 70 years and a half. I want to do whatever God wants me to do before the last thing strikes. But I don't want to go alone. I want you also to come. I counted on Adam, I counted on Cain, I counted on Jonah, but he was the same. I counted on Judas, but he proved untrue. Oh God, tell the world, I'm counting on you. Let me tell you what. A man called Reinhard Bonnke. He's just going to go with the Lord. And I thank God for his impact. Over, according to the record, about 75 million people. Over 75 million people impacted. But he was not the Bonnke that we knew when he came here. He was not the Bonnke we knew. He was a simple preacher. A simple man giving a testimony like some of you who are saying. One day when he had a tent in Cape Town, he invited a great preacher from America to come and do a crusade. And everywhere there were posters, bring the lame, bring the cripples, bring everybody. God is going to perform this miracle.
God performed miracles. Katonda yakola ebyamagero mu maaso g'abasajja abo T.L. Osborne, Billy Graham, Oral Roberts ne Indahosa Bishop. Musumba Titus Owundo batubuliddeko mu bubaka bwe. Tukomye ku Reverend Reynard Bonke nga Katonda amuyingiza mu byamagero naye nga wakyaliwo wakyaliwo obuzito tannaba kutegeera ddala nti Katonda yamukyalidde. Ku Sunday ejja tweyongerayo n'obubaka bwa Pastor Titus Owundo ng'atuyingiza mu kitundu ky'ebyamagero ekyokubeerawo kwa Mukama ate ng'atuzuukiza ne bagaba Magumba nga bw'ayogedde mu Ezeekeri ekitabo ekyo. Amagumba amafu gafuula amalamu. Katonda ajja kufuula omulamu mu lockdown eno gy'olimu. Tojja kitegeera. Katwekomewo nate ku Sunday ejja n'obubaka bwe bumu n'ekkanisa y'emu. Garments of Love and Mass Ministries ekulemberwa Pastor Shadrack Kaganda. Muweereza wa programu eno byobadde tumanyi mu Gugudde Sunday Yusuf Mukasa Lwama. Katukomewo nate ku Sunday ejja. Essaawa zezimu essaawa 3 zennyini ez'ekiro. Programu eno eddibwamu essaawa 3 ez'akawungeezi ku lunaku olwa Monday yakyusibwamu olw'ebino ebiriwo. Yakyusibwamu n'eva ku Lwokubiri n'ebeerawo ku Monday essaawa 3 ez'akawungeezi. Bw'oba ogisubiddwa gwe Azereeti weebale nnyo Mukama abeere nammwe.